Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am your web developmentor from webdevelopcompany.com. Today I am going to share with you the first lesson of basic HTML courses. This courses is for those persons who knows HTML little bit but somehow they are not being an HTML expert. Also, it is applicable who want to learn the HTML from the scratch. In this video, we will cover the basic HTML structure as well as we will go through each and every HTML tag which are uses in our code base. If you follow my video till end, then I am sure you will definitely be a HTML expert as well as my video will be very important to your upcoming interview. So let's start the session now. So the HTML code have started with the angle brackets. Like we have at first we have started the angle brackets and we write the HTML. So there are three primary tag in the HTML. One is the HTML, one is a head tag and other is a body tag. So here you can see whenever I write the HTML code, so whenever I just write the HTML tag, at that time it will automatically just detect the enclosing tag. So in the HTML, most of the tag have enclosing tag. Okay, so like in the within the HTML tag, we can write the head tag. So whenever we just write the head tag, then automatic the enclosing head have detected in my editor. So right now I am using the Hello Web free editor. So you can use also Sublime or Dreamweaver, or also you can use the Notepad for to write the HTML code. So first of all, I have already told you that HTML have three primary tag. One is the HTML, other is the head, and the next tag is the body tag. Okay, so coming to the tag one by one. So this, what is this HTML tag? So this tag encloses the complete HTML document and mainly comprise of document header, which is represented by the head, and the document body, which is represented by the body tag. So now let's move to the next tag. What is a head tag? So these tags represent like the document's header, which can keep the other HTML tag like title, link. So let's see how we can write the title tag at here. So this is the title tag. So let's just write it down. This is the page title. Okay. So in my editor, Hello Web free editor, there have three options you can see. One is the HTML section, one is the CSS, one is the JS, and one is the result. So right now if I will go to the result, then you couldn't see anything, but we have already write the code of HTML. So this HTML in this tags we have written the title. So in our web page we never see the title title tag value. Okay, so that means this value we couldn't see in our HTML page. It is for the SEO purpose, and whenever you will just mouse over on your browser, then only you could see this page title option. So I will show it in later. So right now comes to the body tag. So what is a body tag? So these tags represents the document's body, which keeps the other HTML tags like h1, div, p tag. So I think you are not aware with the what is the h1, what is the div, what is the p tag. So I will go through all of this one by one. So let's just write down the h1 tag. So this is one of the example of a heading tag. Okay, so this is a heading tag. So right now I just want to write one paragraph. So before that we just want to check the result. So right now you can see this is a heading. Okay, so after that we just want to give one paragraph after the heading tag. So like this way, p, then enclose p. Like this way we will define the paragraph tag. So this is a paragraph tag. Okay, so I will go to this. So you can see, so they have a huge gap between this one and between this one. Okay, so like this heading h1, so we can define the h2. Okay, so this is heading 2 and this is heading 1. So right now I just go to the result section. So you can see this is the first one, which is the h1, and this is the second one, which is h2. Okay, so in the HTML there are lots of heading tags. So I will go through this, how many headings types are available in the HTML. That's those things I will just explain you in my next session. So let's take a look all the tags at in a glance. So here this HTML, this consists of head and the body, and this head tag consists of title and link, and after that this body consists of h1, p tag, span tag, and there are lots of different tags. So right now there have one more declaration which we need to define, that is a doc type. So this doc type we need to declare at the starting of any HTML page. So how we will declare the doc type? So here I will declare one doc type. Doc type means this is a document type. Okay, so this doc type declaration is used by the web browser to understand the version of the HTML used in the document. So current version of HTML is 5, and it makes use of the following declaration like doc type, then HTML. So whenever we will declare the doc type HTML, then our web browser will automatically detect that this is a HTML5 web pages. So there are many other declaration types which can be used in the HTML document depending on what version of HTML is being used. So we will see more details on this using the doc type tag along with the other HTML tags. So right now we have almost covered the basic HTML coding structure. So here one thing I just want to mention, that my sample code I have provided in my website. So our website name is webdevelopcompany.com. I will provide you the exact link where you will find the sample code. So right now here you can see that I have already provided my sample code. So right now coming to the point that what is HTML. Okay, so we have already started first with these topics. What is HTML? So HTML stands for hypertext markup language. So right now we could understand what is the hypertext and what is the markup language. So hypertext refers to the way in which web pages or HTML documents are linked together. So thus the link available on a web page is called a hypertext. So like in this web page you can see there have so many links. Okay, so like there have one links HTML 5 code sets. So if we click on this link and if we open this link in a different tab, then we can see there are one new web page have opened. So that means these links have linked in this web page. So so how we will define these, so that's things we will just discuss in our next session, but this features is called the hypertext. And what is the markup language in HTML? So HTML is a markup language. That means you use the HTML to simply mark up a text document with tags that tell a web browser how to structure it to display. So like here you can see this is a red portion, this is a white portion. Okay, so this font size is something greater than this font size. So they have a different style and different color of this text. So this is called that means this feature is called a markup. Okay, so that's why is in a simple form HTML stands for the hypertext markup language. Hey guys, I just want a short break in this video. I want to share few important information with you guys about myself and about my company. I am from Webdevelop Company and our website URL is www.webdevelopcompany.com. We have a lot of clients across the world. Generally, we believe sharing a knowledge is the main key of any success. So that's why I'm here to share the knowledge with you guys with free of cost, as well as we will give you the opportunity to work with us as a freelancer. If you are interested to work with us as a freelancer, then just comment here below. We'll reach out to you whenever we'll get any requirements. So finally we will check how our HTML code runs in the browser. So at first we are using the Hello Web free editor where we can instantly check our HTML code in the browser. But right now I am using my Sublime editor. I just take the code in my Sublime editor. So who are using the Sublime editor or who are using the Notepad, they could understand how you can run your HTML code in the browser. So let's see. So at first we need go to the file section, and after that we need to save this file in our local desktops. So I rename this file as HTML introduction.html. So HTML file extension is HTML, that is .html. Okay, so this file name is HTML introduction and the extension is .html. So if you just save another file like xyz, then the extension would be xyz at the .html. Okay, so now save it .desktop. So finally this file have saved, and right now we will go to the desktop. So here I can double click on this file, or I can open this file by open with option and select the Google Chrome, or if you have the Mozilla or Internet Explorer, you can select also those browser. So now let's see our HTML coding is running in the Google Chrome browser. So let's match with our code. So right now you can see this heading, this have shown at here, this heading 2 also shown at this section, and this is a paragraph, this section also shown at the below. But here you couldn't see the page title option in this page. So the page title option is visible only at this section. So in the tab section you can see the page title option, or whenever you will mouse over on the tab, then the page title option have come. So this page title option generally used for the SEO purpose. So the developer who knows the HTML, the beginner who knows the HTML little bit, but most of them does not know the meaning of HTML. So I guess you guys knows what is the meaning of HTML after watching my video. So now let's take a look within a few points. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating the web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML element label a piece of content such as this is heading, this is paragraph, this is a link, etc. etc. So I want to suggest to you guys, kindly note all of these points to your personal notebook to crack your upcoming interview or for your exam. Okay, so thanks bring us to the end of this HTML tutorial video. I hope you had fun learning with me to learn the HTML from the scratch. If you have been enjoyed to listening this video, then please like this video. You can connect any of your doubt and queries, and we will reply back to you at the earliest. Please look out more videos from our playlist and subscribe to Webdevelop Company channel to learn more. Happy learning!